Hey guys, welcome back to another video on our 1987 project here. Struggling to get the door stickers off on this one. It sure was a little harder. We had one side that was baking in the sun that peeled off really easy. This side we were having some trouble with getting off. But we got her picked away slowly but surely. We got some big plans for this thing. Oh, all my fingers are starting to die, but I tell you, I'm almost done with this door. Oh, I should have went and got an eraser wheel. Well, you know what they say, if it's not coming off, add some heat. We're gonna try to heat this sticker up and see if it will start peeling. This side's being incredibly more difficult than that, so I did go to town, got an eraser wheel, put on my Milwaukee drill. I'm gonna start buzzing these off, get this wrapped up. So we got an important trip to go make. Here we go. There we go. Keep on going. Wrap this up here quick so you don't have to watch this the whole time, but here we go. Well guys, I got eraser wheeled it, but it kind of just like smushed the sticker down. So now I got some general purpose adhesive cleaner. I'm just kind of trying to knock away the big bits, get it all cleaned up. I mean, it is working. It's just a very slow process. I mean, I wish this side would have peeled. The other side peeled so great. I mean, sitting out in the sun, this is the side that was in the shade all day. So, you know, it didn't get the heat like the other side got all afternoon. I even tried heating it up with a torch. It just didn't get it malleable. It just kind of started flaking off in little chunks. But I'm working on it. I'm gonna keep on going here. I'm just keep scraping and scraping and scraping and whatever, burn it off. The other side came out real good. I just gotta get the adhesive off. That's what this stuff is for, and a rag. And it works really good. Just get all that adhesive off of there. Looks like it's working really good over here. This won't take long to get that adhesive off. It start breaking up real good just in that little bit there. So I'm gonna get this other side done. And then I gotta go take this into town. Has an appointment tomorrow at 8 in the morning for something fun back here. Here we go. So I didn't get any video of getting this over to Dakota Fluid Power in Fargo, but what's over there getting a wet kit installed. A wet kit is a hydraulic driven pump off the engine there, and we have to install a tank, a PTO, a pump, and a valve here so we can run an end dumpling going stream in this video. We're hoping to haul gravel with this truck when we're done and have a real working truck. So this is kind of what we have going on. I thought I saw a snippet of what we're trying to accomplish. This truck is dumping off some gravel every day. We're looking forward to getting our truck back with a wet kit installed.
Need help?
Nah, I should be all set.
Okay.
Okay. There's that. And then
Yeah.
alright, so the PTO is all mounted. And then what we've got is we've got the shift cover off in here. Hey, you, Roger?
It's me, Andy.
So we've got the shift cover off, and then you can see this one is got a slightly larger set of bearings in it, and the output shaft is a little bigger. But the only drawback with these Muncie PTOs is this housing and everything is aluminum, and I'm pretty sure the Chelsea is cast, but it doesn't matter. I've seen them both fail, and I've seen them both be really good. So this is the gear here that runs up against the transmission, and then here is the shifting collar that I had talked about before, and then this is going to ride back here when it's in neutral, and then this one is going to be spinning all the time, and then when you air shift the PTO, it's going to slide that gear over, locking up the back end of the PTO so that it can rotate. The part of the shaft that's going to run the pump. Now the pump bolts on to this part of the PTO right here. So this is a 7/8 13 spline hub with a K flange. So we'll get this shift cover on there, and then we're going to pour the oil in it, run it, make sure it doesn't make any funky noises, and then we'll put the pump on. Alright, we've got shift cover in place, air hose hooked up, the wire for our light indicator that tells us the PTO is on, that's hooked up, oil is in it. Now we're just going to let it run for a minute before we put the pump on there and make sure everything sounds somewhat normal.